Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with something absolutely fantastic. This is really cool. This is, look at this. This is the Panda ACEdc in Zirc. That's the cart. It's a fantastic toy, guys. This is a really cool one. Multi-fidget. This is the Zirc version. It's pretty rare, as you can see. There's 32 made of these. It's amazingly sounding on this side. The slider is super cool on this side. This is a rocker that is three different sounds, three different actions. This is acting even as a worry stone by itself, you know. It's great. So same size, of course, as the steel you might have seen on the channel. This is just the Zirc version. Just my favorite material is just gonna be weighing at 4.61 ounces on the scale, so not too shabby. Just want to show you up against a couple of grails. ACEdc Gamer, right over here you get the slider. Here you get the Milkia. Here you get like the Lauti ACEdc collaboration, just to show you like Black Mirror design, telephone dial. Here you might see also a Lauti shuffle, and Tom EDC, just to show you another Mahjong slider right over here, a Maki capsule CP2 in the house, just to show you, you know, the Zirc madness going on over here. But we are here with this gorgeous one, Panda. Look at the engraving over here, guys. This is an homage to the early cartridges for the gaming consoles. I don't know if you are old enough, you might recognize this kind of shape, right? It was going like this, and it was just like another time. You see A-B buttons, beautiful. To be continued. Here you get ACEdc 1 being engraving with this. Guys, very well made. So slider on this side, of obviously, you know, you can use like some Teflon tape if you like, but you have spring pushed bearings and a set of 8 magnets per side, couple tracks, one pin right over here, and these 2 screws that you see are needed to actually access the other side, because the other side is hinged. As you can see, it doesn't slide off, is is gonna be well attached to the main body, and you have to disassemble from this side right over here. And this just popped off, but it's not a big deal. This can go in pretty easily, and also, you know, just a little bit of Loctite, it's gonna solve that thing. This is just like new, and that's how they come with these parts over here, just not glued in, not Loctited, and it's fine. I like it. So if you prefer, you can do it yourself. This side is like the loudest of the bunch, and is so good. This one, of course, it's a nice rocker, nice clicking sound. Guys, I'm telling you, this is becoming one of the favorite. This is like a borderline desktop pocket fidget, because it's the weight. It's there. It's not as big as this one, for example, which is another Zirc Grail right over here, but still, and that's, I mean, this is only desktop intended. You're not gonna carry that, but this, it's both. It works in the pocket, and it works on the desk, even like that. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned.